Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Fallout 4 Anniversary Edition game crashing, not launching, not opening, lagging, freezing, stuck on loading screen or other issues on PS5. So let's go through the methods. The very first method is to restart PlayStation. One of the best way to fix the issue is by restarting the PS5 first. It will resolve the temporary bugs or glitches that is leading to such problem. Just open PS5 screen and click on PlayStation button on controller, then select power button and then select restart PS5. Once you have done this, launch the game and then check. If not, next is to rebuild database. For that, switch off your PS5, hold down power button unless 2 beep sound occur. Now leave power button to enter safe mode. Here connect DualSense controller via USB cable and then select rebuild database. Next method is to change language on console. For that, open PS5 settings. After that, go to system. Here select language option in the left sidebar. Now select current language. After that, change the language to English or any other and then check if the issue is resolved. If not, next is to sign out and sign into PS5. For that, go to settings, tap on users and accounts. Next, go down and click on other option. After that, click on sign out option. Once done, again log into the PS5 account and then check for the error. Next is to check PS5 overheating. So make sure your PS5 is not overheating and is well ventilated. If it's overheating, try to cool down for some time before using it. This will help to fix the issue on PS5. Next is to switch Wi-Fi frequency. For that, go to settings on your PS5. Now click on network, then click on settings, then click on setup network connection. Here click on options. Under Wi-Fi frequency, you can switch to 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz and then check if the problem is resolved. If not, next method is to check for game update. So you should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. The developers of the game often releases patches to deal with several kinds of bugs or other issues and improve performance. So make sure you check if there is any update available, and after updating your game, now try to launch the game and check. Next is to restore licenses. For that, open settings on your PS5. Now click on users and accounts. Then move down to others on left panel. Now select restore licenses. After that, select Fallout 4 Anniversary Edition and then click on restore. Finally confirm by selecting yes. If not, next is to check storage space on console. For that, go to PS5 settings and move down to storage. Here you will see console storage and extended storage. After that, check each of them by clicking on it and then delete save data. After that, go to PS5 settings, tap on save data and game or app settings. Now select save data PS5. After that, select console storage and then tap on delete option. Next is to install software updates on PS5. For that, open settings on your PS5, then select system. Now go to system software, then click on system software update in settings. After that, select update system software if any update is available, and finally select update using internet option. Next is to reset your console settings. For that, launch settings on your PS5 and move to system. Now choose reset options under system software. Here select reset default settings. At last, choose restore option. Next method is to reinstall Fallout 4 Anniversary Edition. For that, first highlight the game on your PS5 and press options on your controller. Now select delete and confirm it. Finally, restart your PS5 and install Fallout 4 Anniversary Edition again to check for the error. If not, then the final solution is to contact support. So if nothing works, then you should take help from the PlayStation support. Link I have already given in the description. You just have to explain whatever the issue you are coming across to the support team, and hopefully they will try to resolve it from their end and you can be into the game once again. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.